something different happens. You notice the emotion rising. You observe the thought. But instead of reacting impulsively, you pause. That pause gives you power. Because in that moment you can choose your response instead of reacting automatically. Meditation strengthens this ability. It builds mental discipline. It reduces anxiety. It increases awareness. And most importantly, it teaches your mind how to remain calm even in stressful situations. You do not need hours of meditation every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes of quiet breathing can slowly change your mental state. Over time, meditation creates a peaceful space inside your mind. And from that peaceful space, clear thinking becomes possible. When your mind becomes calmer, your thoughts become more organized. When your thoughts become organized, your decisions become wiser. And when your decisions become wiser, your life begins to move in a better direction. Lesson 4. Be grateful. At first, this idea may sound very small, but if you truly understand it, gratitude can completely change the way your mind works. The human brain has a natural tendency to focus on problems. Thousands of years ago, this helped humans survive. Our ancestors needed to notice dangers quickly. But in modern life, this same survival mechanism can become harmful. Your mind constantly searches for what is wrong. It remembers failures. It replays mistakes. It compares your life with other people. And slowly, your thoughts become filled with negativity. But gratitude interrupts this pattern. Gratitude trains your mind to notice what is good in your life instead of only focusing on what is missing. Think about this carefully. At any moment, your mind has two directions it can take. It can focus on everything you lack, or it can focus on everything you already have. Both directions exist at the same time, but the direction you choose will shape your thinking. For example, imagine two people living in the same situation. One person constantly complains. They complain about their job, their circumstances, their problems, and their limitations. The other person focuses on gratitude. They appreciate the opportunity to learn, the people who support them, and the small progress they make every day. Both people face the same reality, but their thoughts are completely different. And over time, their lives will also become different. Gratitude changes your mental focus. Instead of constantly asking, "Why is my life difficult?" you begin asking, "What can I appreciate today?" This shift may seem small, but it transforms your emotional state. Gratitude reduces stress. Gratitude increases optimism. Gratitude strengthens mental resilience. And when your mind becomes more positive, controlling your thoughts becomes easier. A powerful habit is practicing gratitude every day. Before sleeping, take a moment and think about 3 things you are grateful for. They do not have to be huge achievements. Sometimes gratitude comes from simple things: a meaningful conversation, a peaceful moment during the day, progress toward a goal, support from someone you care about. Over time, this habit trains your brain to automatically search for positive meaning. And when your mind becomes trained in gratitude, negative thinking loses much of its power. Your thoughts begin moving in a healthier direction. Lesson 5. Journaling. Write your thoughts. Journaling simply means writing down what is happening in your mind. Many people carry thousands of thoughts inside their head every day. They think about problems. They worry about situations. They replay conversations. They imagine future scenarios. But all these thoughts remain trapped inside their mind. When thoughts stay inside your head, they often become confusing and overwhelming. Your mind keeps repeating the same ideas again and again. It becomes difficult to see things clearly. This is where journaling becomes powerful. When you write your thoughts on paper, something amazing happens. Your mind begins to organize itself. Instead of chaotic thinking, your ideas become structured. You start understanding what you are actually thinking. For example, imagine you are feeling anxious about something. Your mind might be full of scattered thoughts. What if this goes wrong? What if I fail? What if I disappoint someone? But when you write these thoughts down, you begin seeing them more clearly. You can analyze them. You can question them. Sometimes you even realize that many of your worries are exaggerated. Writing creates distance between you and your thoughts. Instead of being trapped inside your mind, the thoughts appear in front of you. This allows you to examine them logically. Journaling also helps release emotional pressure. Many people carry stress simply because they never express what they feel. But when you write honestly about your thoughts and emotions, it feels like removing a heavy weight from your mind. Your brain becomes lighter. Your thinking becomes clearer. Many successful thinkers and leaders use journaling regularly. They write ideas. They reflect on their decisions. They analyze problems calmly. This practice strengthens mental clarity. And clarity is essential for controlling your thoughts. Even writing for 5 or 10 minutes a day can create powerful results. You do not need perfect sentences. You do not need beautiful writing. Just write honestly. Over time, this habit becomes a powerful tool for understanding your own mind. And when you understand your mind better, controlling your thoughts becomes much easier. Lesson 6. Reprogram your brain for positivity. Many people believe their thoughts appear randomly, but that is not completely true. Your brain works like a program. Whatever thoughts you repeat again and again slowly become mental patterns. If someone constantly thinks, "I can't do this," "I'm not good enough," "Nothing ever works for me," those thoughts slowly become part of their mental programming. After some time, their brain automatically produces the same thoughts even without effort. This is how negative thinking patterns are formed. But the good news is that the brain is changeable. Scientists call this ability neuroplasticity, which means your brain